Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can install OBS Studio in your Windows PC. To download OBS Studio, first you have to go to google.com and type in OBS Studio download. You will see the first link, download OBS Studio. Click on that. Then you will see here three options: Windows, Apple and Linux. We will be downloading for Windows. To download exe file, click on installer. You can also download via torrent, zip file, Microsoft Store or GitHub. We will download installer exe file. So I will click on download installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. You will see here a UAC control option. Click on yes. Then click on next. Here it will ask for the install location. I will leave it as by default C program files. You can also install as per your location. Now I will click on install. It will take around 1 minute to install. Here you can see the OBS icon on the desktop. Now click on finish. It will start the OBS. As you can see here it is asking for the three options. Optimize for streaming, recording is secondary. Optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. I will only be using for the virtual camera. If you focus on streaming and recording is your second purpose, click on first option. If you only just you want to record, just click on the second option and click on next. Keep the base resolution as it is and FPS either 60 or 30. I will keep it on 60 FPS. Now click on next. Now it will test the FPS and the screen. Now the test is complete. Click on apply settings. Now to capture the desktop, I will click on the sources and right click on this and click on add source display capture. Here you can name as per your choice or you can leave it as it is. Now click on OK. Keep the current method as automatic. Click on display. As I am using two monitors, I will click on the first monitor, which is my primary monitor. Now I will click on OK. As you can see here, my display capture is now started. To start the recording, you can click on Start Recording on the right side menu. It will now start recording. To stop the recording, click on Stop Recording. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my content, please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.